the Department of Justice says that it will sue Texas today over a new law allowing law enforcement to arrest people suspected of illegally crossing the border.
This comes as more cities across the country are trying to prevent Texas from busing migrants out of state. Chelsea Edwards is now here in the studio with more on the ongoing battle. Chelsea?
Yeah, a lot of back and forth here. So on New Year's Eve, Governor Greg Abbott sent more than 350 migrants to Chicago Rockford International Airport and bused them to suburban towns, forcing them to find their way to Chicago. This was after Chicago started limiting when buses could drop off migrants, threatening fines and tickets for bus companies, and accusing Governor Abbott of spreading chaos. Sanctuary cities like Chicago and Denver claim migrants are being dropped off in the middle of the night and left outside in the freezing cold when staff is not available to receive them. Abbott has responded to new ordinances by sending migrants to those neighboring suburbs instead. Places like Hinsdale, Woodstock, Buffalo Grove, they started implementing their own rules, like requiring bus companies to file an application at least 5 days before arriving and providing the names of all the migrants on these buses. These are just some of the ways they're trying to control this record influx without violating the state's sanctuary laws.
If they're going to accept immigrants that have been bused from states like Texas, for example, that they want to do it in a kind of orderly way. And so they don't want these buses to come sort of willy-nilly at different times, randomly, without notice, dropping people off in cold temperatures without appropriate clothing or medical attention or food, not even knowing if they're in Chicago or not, and then expecting them to find their way to Chicago.
Well, meanwhile, Governor Greg Abbott posted on X saying migrant buses to sanctuary cities like New York and Chicago will continue until President Biden reverses his open border policies. Reporting, Chelsea Edwards, Fox 26 News.